Okay, welcome students. In this part of the experiment number 6, that was to find the fiber loss and attenuation coefficient of an optical fiber. So we know that the fiber loss is given by expression alpha is equal to 20 upon L log to the base 10 V1 upon V2. If you have watched the second part of the experiment, you know that value of L was found to be 1 meter minus 25 centimeter, which could be written as 1 meter minus 0.25 meter. It will become 0.75 meter, and I want to write it in kilometers because most of the times do we find the loss in the fiber in form of decibels per kilometer. So this will be 0.75 into 10 raised to power minus 3 kilometer. Also we note that the voltage values at 25 centimeters were 209 millivolt, and at 1 meter this voltage value as detected by the photo detector was 180 millivolt. Let us now put these values in the above expression. Let us say this expression is written designated by equation number star. So put these values in star and let us see what will be the value of alpha. Alpha will be equal to now 20 upon L. So it will be L will be 0.75 into 10 raised to power minus 3 and log to the base 10, and V1 was 209 millivolt of course, and this will be 180 millivolt, and this millivolt and millivolt will get cancelled. This was actually kilometer. So if you solve this, your answer will come out to be as follows. So this will become alpha is equal to 20,000 upon 0.75 log to the base 10 1.161. So this will be equal to 20,000 upon 0.75 into 0.0648, and this value will become 1,728.9 decibel per kilometer. So this value of attenuation coefficient alpha p, it will be equal to, that is, so the above value will be actually 1728.85. so let me correct it up to second place of decimal. So this will be 1728.85, and alpha p will be given by 10 divided by 4.34, which will be equal to 1728.85 upon 4.34. So this will be 4.34, and its value will come out to be 398.35 kilometer inverse. So this is the final result. So fiber loss for the given fiber to us is actually 1728.85 decibel per kilometer, and the attenuation coefficient, this is fiber loss actually, attenuation coefficient alpha p is 398.35 kilometer inverse. So please remember that the fiber that I have used in this experiment, the fiber which is available in our laboratory, it is a plastic fiber and it is not a commercial grade fiber. It is only for educational purpose. That is why the loss of energy in 1 kilometer of the fiber is of the order of roughly 1700 decibels. So it is not a good quality fiber, but commercially used fibers which are high quality glass fibers, the loss in them is quite small. So I hope you will learn a lot from this experiment. Thank you. Thanks a lot.